Did you know the US government made a deal with some of the worst war criminals in history to get their research data? During World War II, Japanese doctor Hisato Yasui ran horrific experiments on Chinese prisoners. He would force them to stick their arms into freezing water for hours. The cold was so extreme that ice crystals would form inside their flesh. But that was just the beginning. Yasui would then test different ways to thaw their frozen limbs. Sometimes he poured boiling water on them. The skin would fall off in sheets. The prisoners screamed in agony as their flesh cooked and peeled away. The worst part? He kept detailed notes of everything, and he made sure the prisoners stayed alive so he could freeze them again and again. When the war ended, Yasui should have faced trial for his crimes. Instead, the American government cut a secret deal. They gave him complete immunity from prosecution in exchange for all his research data. While other war criminals faced justice, Yasui walked free. The price of his freedom? Human suffering documented in clinical detail.